Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you change your Applock password in your Realme phone device. Guys, you want to change your Applock password in your Realme phone, so as you can change. And guys, now let's see how to change Applock password in a Realme phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys. So guys, now let's see how to change Applock password. So then first of all, open your phone setting to change your Applock password. Then guys, enter your password. And guys, scroll and guys, you can see your password setting. So guys, tap here and guys, Applock, tap here. Guys, enter privacy password, your Applock password. And guys, you can see these two dots here. So guys, tap here, setting. Guys, you can see change privacy password setting. Tap here, enter your privacy password guys. You can see guys, change password, tap. And guys, you can see enter old password again guys. Use a different password type guys, you can change from here. So example we will take like this pattern, so we will draw pattern and guys come back. So guys, now you can see guys, so when you will use YouTube, so guys you can see guys, password has changed. Earlier guys we had pin, and guys now we have pattern. So I hope friends you have understood how to change Applock password in a Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, and guys now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.